Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Patrick and partners along with Bob Iacchino. Really boring day in Tesla. You see closing right on the 4-hour rotation zone. Main reason I'm watching this is for the upside level. So key resistance now coming in about 492 to 500 based off the 4 hour. So in any rally, that's where the major resistance is on the 4 hour. Let's just jump over to daily. Since with this very small bar, daily resistance is about 470. If you get above 470, then you're going to watch that 492 to 500. And then on a strong rally, we still have this gap left behind, so we'd start watching for 543. Now, I'll break down below today's low. What was it exactly? For 1050, we'd start watching for this cluster right around 390, 396, and then below that, a retest of the most recent lows right around 350. Low volume today. Again, rotation zone still favoring the bear side on the daily and the 4 hour. So nothing much has changed besides just the levels we're focusing on, and no reversal pattern yet. There's no bottoming pattern on a daily. There's no buy pattern on a 4 hour. So it's just playing the intraday ranges and watching for either to break out or break down, and then using the key levels. That's what we have for you on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.